So in this video we are going to see how to use a Canon XA65, right? So Canon XA65, we have already seen some basics about it. So here you can see how you can use a external power source using the we can use the adapter that we get along with Canon, and then you can use this as a external power source. This way, even without the battery, the camera will function. So whenever you are working for long shoots, you can definitely use this because you don't need any battery and you can work as it is. But it's a C type charger. You have to uh, connect it in this place where it says DC 9 volt 3 amps, right? So that's the thing. So you already know how to uh, use a memory card. So we just have to insert our memory card in this slot and then close the slot. So there are two buttons here on the top. It says camera and media. So whenever you want to shoot, you push the button to camera. Whenever you want to review the footage, you can push it to media. So right now we want to shoot, so it's in camera, right? And then here we have important settings. So it's auto and manual. So whenever you're shooting an interview or something like that where you don't want to interfere a lot, you can put it in auto. But if you want to take some carefully managed shots, then you can shift this to manual. Otherwise, it's going to be in auto most of the time. So we are ready. So we have our subject here. So I'm going to use the zooming in and zooming out button that is present here, or the other one is present on top as well. There is one zoom in and zoom out button on top as well. So I'm going to use this one. So here we have our subject. I'm going to zoom into our subject, maybe zoom out a little bit, and we have our subject within the frame. So now you can see the intelligent autofocus is on. So you just have to select the subject. So now as you move, as the subject moves, you can see the focus shifts along with the subject. So this is intelligent autofocus. So this helps whenever the subject is moving or they are not stationary, you can use this function. It's indicated here by IAF, intelligent autofocus. As the subject moves, you can see the focus also continues to move. The focus is mentioned by the uh, rectangular bracket, right? So I'll zoom in a little bit so we can see what's happening. So can you see here, as I move, the focus also moves. So this is intelligent autofocus. So if you want to take a photo of whatever is going on, you just have to type, you just have to press the photo here. You just have to press the photo here and then it will automatically take a photo of whatever video it's recording, right? But as of now it's not recording anything, so you can see the time code is standing still. So you can press the record button here. We can press the record button here, or we can use the record button on the top. We can use the record button on the top. So you can use both. Right now I'm going to use this record button. Let's see how it records, right? I'm going to press this button. As soon as I pressed it, you can see that the uh, record is enabled in the display, right? So there's another feature here which is called pre-record. So you can see pre-record here. So whenever you press the pre-record, you can see the time code is always running even though it's not recording. So as soon as you turn on the pre-record, you can see a symbol here. It says 3. So it means it's going to record 3 seconds before you press the record button. So as soon as you can see the time code is always running. So whenever you press the record button now, it's going to record 3 seconds before that. Okay, we can so this thing is stationary, we are not moving it. Now I'm going to press the record button and I'm going to move it. I stopped it. So now let's see how to review the footage. So we'll put it to review mode. Here from camera, you push it to media mode. Camera is there, in the middle there is off, then there is media. So we have turned it to media mode. Now we are going to look at the footage that we shot. Can you see? We have 3 seconds before. So in our video, we started moving this thing, but you can see here in the playback that it is already getting, we can see in the playback that 3 seconds before was recorded, right? So this is the pre-record function. This is what the pre-record function does, right?